This is the Bryant Ridge Shelter. Very good. Now there's one thing. My gear is starting to come apart. I have a sewing job to do here. Let's see. Here on my shoulder strap, the chest strap popped loose from the other shoulder strap. Okay, so I need to get that back on there, and then I need to break out the sewing equipment and put some stitches on here so that it cannot come undone again. I'm just going to have to fix it in position. It's unacceptable to have gear coming apart on the trail. So I have a sewing job to do.